Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are making chicken maharani. इसके लिए I have heated a pan with some oil and added खड़े गरम मसाले. Then I have added marinated chicken जो मैंने फ्राइड ऑनियंस का पेस्ट, दही, अदरक लहसुन, थोड़ा टमाटो पेस्ट, नमक, मिर्ची, गरम मसाला पाउडर, हल्दी ऐड करके मैरिनेट करके रखा था 2 आवर्स के लिए. वो हम चिकन के साथ ऐड कर देंगे और थोड़ी like 15 to 20 minutes until the oil separates. We're going to cook it on low flame. Then we are going to garnish it at last with lemon and coriander leaves. This is a very quick and easy recipe. अगर आप बहुत tired हो और आपको ज़्यादा कुछ मेहनत नहीं करनी है, then this is a very good go-to recipe. And you can serve this with whatever you like, rice, roti, naan. Yeah, you can also serve it with whatever kind of rotis you like. So here I'll be serving this with chawal ki roti. And this is one go-to recipe that everyone will like. And yeah, it's easy to make, not much fuss. So here's chicken maharani for you. See you in the next video. Allah